Hello friends, welcome to our Data Analytics Tips YouTube channel. So today we'll see about the in operator in SQL. So we have our Data Analytics Tips as a database, and in that database we have employee table. So select start from employee. So this is our table. So what is the use of in operator? In operator basically is used for comparison with multiple values, and it is also used in for the list comparison. Suppose we have a list like 10, 20, 30, so we can easily give as in, and in the bracket we can mention 10, 20, 30. So this is the syntax for in operator. There we can use where clause, where column name in, value 1, value 2, value 3. Value 1 is 10, 20, and value 2 is 20, and value 3 is 30. So we can use like that. So we can see some questions. What is the in operator, how we can use that? So let's see one by one. So we have already employee table we have. So select start from employee, where our column name is, we have to see the name of this employee. So where employee name in, we have to mention in bracket what is the value one, that is Mark. So mention in the double quotes. Value 2 is Karen, and value 3 is John. Complete the brackets and run this query. Here you can see the employee names are Mark, Karen and John, and there are two times Karen because the names are available. Second question is, I want to see the employees who working as a data analyst and data engineer. So let's see. Let me copy this query. Here the third column is job. So just where job in data analyst and data engineer. Let's run this query. Here you can see the job is data analyst, data engineer, data engineer, data engineer, data analyst, data engineer. There are total 7 records that we have in operator. Using in operator we can see the list, and we can pass using that in bracket and the text values in double quotes. So let's see the example. I want employees not working for department number 10 and 20. So we have a department number as a column. We have this employee table, and there are multiple departments, but I don't want 10 and 20 department. So let's see. Select start from employee. Select start from employee, where department number not in 10 comma 20. So here you can see the department number which we don't want, like 10 and 20, but the result will be like 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. So there are total 7 records which don't have 10 and 20 department. So this is a use of in operator, which is used for the list comparison using the multiple values we can pass. Yeah, thank you.